Guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video I'm going to show you a very simple remedy for hair. Now we'll be using coffee, and as you can see I'm just using one sachet of Mac coffee. You can use any type of coffee you actually wish. This does not really matter. You can use the coffee beans, you can use the coffee that you can actually boil and sieve, or you can use instant coffee like what I'm doing here. So all you have to do is to put your coffee in a mug, a cup, or any other container, add your hot water, and then make sure the mixture is mixed well, and then let it sit. So this is an alternative for those people who would love to use rice water, but as we know, rice water sometimes overloads the hair with a lot of protein, and it's not really good for your hair. So after some time I put the water in my spray bottle. My hair is extremely dirty here. As you can see, my scalp is dried, I have gel flakes and everything. I've been a lazy natural and it's been a while since I took care of my hair. So this year we've dedicated it to making our hair as healthy, longer. Yes, African hair can grow, and I'm here to show you guys how to actually go ahead and do that. So I'm going to be sectioning my hair into sections, and then I'll be applying this water. Now you have to make sure that this water gets to your scalp. We want to concentrate more on the scalp, and then you massage it deep in your scalp. You can also add the water to your hair, as I'm going to show you guys, and then after doing that, put on your shower cap or whatever, or you can actually use it as an overnight treatment. So you do this at night, sleep on it, and then the following day you go ahead and do your wash day. So I'll just do this and let the coffee sit in my hair for around 30 minutes, an hour, and then I get to wash it. So as you can see, I'm concentrating on the scalp. Concentrate on the scalp, make sure you massage the water through. Coffee has numerous benefits. I'm going to add some of that. I'm going to list some of these benefits on the video or the description box, so kindly check that out. And then after doing this, making sure that my hair is fully soaked in this coffee water, I'm going to detangle it, of course. Let it sit like that, as I said, 30 minutes to an hour, and then I'll go ahead and do my wash day. So this is what you have to do. Here my hair is fully soaked, as you can see, and let me tell you guys, my hair feels so soft. It's extremely soft, at the same time it's stronger. I can feel it. So kindly do this remedy, let me know how it turns out for you. And yes, so thank you guys, until the next